Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you are well. I am also fine. Welcome to our online class. You know that entire world is going through corona pandemic. So our authority has taken proper initiative to take your online classes. Thanks our authority and also thank you to join with our online classes. Dear student, you know today our discussion matter is English first paper. Look at the slide. You can see some picture of some Asian countries. Look and try to guess about these flags. Do you know what are the countries' names of these flags? These are our neighbor countries. Look at the picture. Do you know him? Yes, you know, he is Musa Ibrahim. Do you know what is his great achievement? Yeah, his great achievement is hoisting Bangladeshi flag on the Himalayas. Let's enjoy a video clip. Look, do you know what's the name of this peak? Yes, you are right. It's Mount Everest. Do you know where is Mount Everest situated? Yeah, Mount Everest is in Nepal. So, dear students, let's declare our lesson. Our today's lesson is Nepal. Our neighbors Nepal, the land of Everest. Read the following passage on Nepal, known as the land of Everest. Nepal is one of the most charming countries in Asia. It is also known as the only Hindu kingdom in the world. The kingdom of Nepal's a small land of sublime beauty. It has some of the world's best and very important temples. It is a country that is rich in scenic luxury and cultural treasures. Dear student, look at the slide. This slide shows you the learning outcomes or results of the lesson. After completing this lesson, you will be able to read, comprehend, summarize texts. Then ask and answer questions. Then read travel ads, talk about them. Write letters to friends describing places of interest. Look at the map. Talk with your friend and find out where is Nepal. Here's the name of some Asian country: Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, India, Myanmar, Sri Lanka. Look at the picture. Talk with your partner. What about the picture? So it's a pair work. Talk about your partner. Nepal, known as the land of Everest, which is one of the most charming countries in Asia. It means Nepal is the most beautiful countries in Asia. Look at the picture. Do you know about this picture? Yes, it's about this picture indicates Gautam Buddha, the founder of Buddhism. Here is another picture. Do you know about it? It's a picture which show a myth character, two myth characters, Radha and Krishna. It is also known as the only Hindu kingdom in the world. Nepal is known as the only Hindu kingdom of the world. The kingdom of Nepal is a small land of sublime beauty. নেপাল হচ্ছে একটা ছোট দেশ, but its unique beauty is rare in the world. It has some of the world's best and very important temples. That means here is some temples or worship places which is very important and best in the world. Look at the picture. You can see a marketplace or tourist area in Nepal. In the right side here is also a tourist area, and look at another picture. It show three pictures of Gautam Buddha. It is a country that is rich in scenic beauty and cultural heritage. Look at the picture. Here's the map of Nepal. In its right southeast corner there is India, and northwest corner there is China. Nepal lies between India and the Tibetan part of China. That is Nepal, ভারত এবং চীনের তিব্বতীয় অংশের মাঝামাঝিতে অবস্থিত. This small country has an area of 147,181 square kilometers. Southern Nepal is tropical low and known as the তরি প্লেন, দ্যাট ইজ দক্ষিণ অংশ। নেপালের দক্ষিণ অংশটা হচ্ছে নিচু এলাকা, আর এটা টরি সমতল হিসাবে পরিচিত। Here the temperatures reach up to 40 degrees Celsius in April and May, and monsoon rains drains this region from June to September. That is, in this area, April and May, its temperature reaches to peak, and in June to September, here is heavy rainfalls. This picture, guess about this picture. What can you guess? It symbolizes its temperature, highest temperature in April and May. There is another picture. There is, you can see two climbers try to climb up to the peak of the Himalayas. North of that is the slope of the main section of the Himalayan range. This part of Nepal has some of the highest peaks of the world, including Everest. That means in the north part of Nepal lies the main part of Himalayan range. স্লোপ মিন্স ঢাল, হিমালয় পর্বতের যে ঢালু, এটার উত্তর দিকে অবস্থিত। দিস পার্ট অফ নেপাল হ্যাজ সাম অফ দ্য হাইয়েস্ট পিকস। নেপালের এই অংশে বিশ্বের সবচেয়ে শীর্ষ কতগুলো পিক রয়েছে, চূড়া রয়েছে, যার মধ্যে হিমালয়, যার মধ্যে এভারেস্টও রয়েছে। Now look at the another slides. Population of Nepal. Nepal is home to nearly 290 lakh people. The population is primarily rural. Kathmandu, the capital city, has less than 1 million inhabitants. অধিবাসীরা প্রাথমিকভাবে গ্রাম অঞ্চলের। কাঠমান্ডু, যা নেপালের রাজধানী, হ্যাজ লেস দ্যান 1 মিলিয়ন ইনহ্যাবিট্যান্টস, এতে রয়েছে 1 মিলিয়নের চেয়ে কম জনসংখ্যা। Ethnic groups in Nepal. Ethnic means ক্ষুদ্র নৃগোষ্ঠী or sub-race of the mainstream of people. Nepal demographic features are completed not only by dozens of ethnic groups but by different castes. That is, নেপালের জনসংখ্যাগত বৈশিষ্ট্য শুধুমাত্র যে ডজনখানেক ক্ষুদ্র নৃগোষ্ঠী পিপল দ্বারা চিত্রিত তা নয়, বরং এর যে জাতি, এর যে গোষ্ঠী, তাতেও রয়েছে বৈচিত্র্যতা, ভিন্নতা। In total, there are 103 castes and ethnic groups living in this small country. The two largest of some groups are known as Chaitri and Bahun. সর্বমোট 103 প্রকার বর্ণ এবং ক্ষুদ্র নৃগোষ্ঠীর লোক এই দেশে, এই ছোট দেশটিতে বাস করে। সবচেয়ে দুটো বড় গ্রুপ হচ্ছে, এরকম দুটো সবচেয়ে বড় জনসংখ্যা বা দল বা বর্ণ হচ্ছে, তাদের নাম হচ্ছে চৈত্রী এবং বাহুন। Look at the picture up in the left corner. Their names Tharu. In the middle upper portion Damai, and the upper portion right side Mabur. Lower portion left side Muslim. Lower portion middle Chaitri, and at lower portion left right side there is Bahun. This is the picture of some ethnic group of Nepal. About 48% of the people speak Nepali. That is, less than 50% of their people speak in Nepali language. Among other languages spoken are Maithili, Bhojpuri, Tharu, তামাং এবং অন্যান্য ভাষা যেগুলো বলা হয় বা কথিত হয় তার মধ্যে রয়েছে মৈথালি, ভোজপুরি, থারু এবং তামাং। Let's enjoy some keywords. Keywords mean main words or important words of the lesson. Look, charming. The scenery is very charming. It's an example of charming. Or make a sentence with charming. You can say the scenery is very charming to look at. You can say another sentence, that is, rural scenery of Bangladesh is very charming. Sublime. Sublime means unique. The pictures has a sublime beauty. ছবিটি রয়েছে একটা অনন্য সৌন্দর্য। Temple. Here is a picture of temple. Temple is the worship house or worship places of Hindu and Nepali religion, Hindu and Buddha religion, Buddhist. Monsoon. Monsoon rains fall in Nepal from June to September. Monsoon means a rainy season. A wind in South Asia which blows from the southeast in summer. গ্রীষ্মকালে যে বাতাস দক্ষিণ এশিয়ায় দক্ষিণ পূর্ব দিক থেকে প্রবাহিত হয়, ইট মিন্স monsoon year. Ethnic in Bangla we can say ক্ষুদ্র নৃগোষ্ঠী or সামন সে উপজাতি. In Bangladesh has also many ethnic groups as such Chakma, Manipuri, etc. A nation or race or tribe that has a common cultural tradition. So we can say ethnic means a nation, race or tribe that has a common cultural tradition. Dear students, come to another slide. From your textbook, you have to read the text A, B, C silently. Then look at the picture and answer the following questions. You have to read the text of A, B, C silently. Means without any sound. You have to read silently. Then look at the picture. অতঃপর ছবির দিকে তাকাও and answer the following question. এবং নিচে কোশ্চেনের আনসার দাও. In the middle you can see map of Nepal and its two sides. At right side you can see some people and in left side you can see one person. After reading the text you have to answer. Where is Nepal situated? Nepal কোথায় অবস্থিত? Number 2, write about the population, weather and culture of Nepal. নেপালের জনসংখ্যা, আবহাওয়া এবং সংস্কৃতি সম্বন্ধে লিখো. In this slide, I am giving you some pair work. Go to section E and read the advertisement of a package tour to Nepal. সেকশন ইতে যাও এবং সেখান থেকে একটা বিজ্ঞাপন পড়ো, যে বিজ্ঞাপনটি নেপালের একটা প্যাকেজ ট্যুরকে নির্দেশ করে. Now discuss with your friend if the statements are true or false. If false, give the correct information. এখন তোমার বন্ধুর সাথে বাক্যগুলি নিয়ে আলোচনা করো এবং দেখো কোনটা সত্য কোনটা মিথ্যা. যদি মিথ্যা হয় তাতে তুমি সঠিক তথ্য প্রদান করো. From your book you have to complete section E, that is true or false, and you will get 5 minutes for completing true or false. Now dear student, look at the picture. You can see a picture of home. It's indicate that your teacher, that is I want to give you home task. Your home task is write a letter to your friend highlighting the main attraction of Nepal. তোমার বন্ধুর নিকট একটি চিঠি লেখো যাতে নেপালের আকর্ষণীয় অংশগুলি তুলে ধরবে। So dear students, we have come to the end of our class. I have to depart now as our time is over. I thank you to attend this online class, and I pray to Almighty Allah so that He may bestow sound health and successful life. All the best. Goodbye. May Allah bless you.